Come here and have a seat while I fill you with some wisdom you can't learn on them streets. Walking around here with your head all matted up, pants all sagging off. Brother, who dressed you up?
Man, why you always preaching to me? Man, life is hard enough. You kill me coming around here with this positive stuff. Ain't no jobs, I need money, so I'ma do what I can to escape from this hell. It ain't easy being a black man.
I kill you with positive, brother, you're killing many. Every day you decide not, then you become the enemy. Money and cars, they got their place, but not inside to divide and genocide a whole race.
But see, you got to understand what I'm going through. At the crib, ain't no grub, now what the heck I'm supposed to do? Just sit back and pray, and wait for God to save me? Bruh, in 4 months or so, my girl is having a baby.
I understand all that, but the truth still remains. And you manifest things that contaminate brains and think you gotta kill me to survive? Well, what's the use of being alive if we're never gonna rise?
Man, I need some grands in my hands, and now ain't the time for you to be telling me to change plans. Need datings on my caddy, got connections in Cincinnati. My mother, you telling me I'ma end up just like my daddy.
And if you can only see your daddy now, he's a living example, paying